Hello and welcome to this video on creating a positive mindset and attitude. Imagine waking up every day with a smile on your face, ready to tackle any challenges that come your way. Sounds like a dream, right? But did you know that with a few simple tips and tricks, you can turn this dream into a reality? Studies have shown that our thoughts and attitudes can have a huge impact on our overall happiness and well-being. A positive mindset can lead to greater success, stronger relationships, and improved physical health. So, how can you cultivate a more positive outlook? Surround yourself with positivity, surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Avoid negativity and drama at all costs. Practice gratitude, take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Whether it's a roof over your head, good health, or supportive family and friends, focus on the good in your life. Focus on the present, stop worrying about the past or the future, and instead, focus on the here and now. Take things one day at a time and enjoy each moment as it comes. Set achievable goals. When we set unrealistic expectations for ourselves, it's easy to become discouraged. Instead, set achievable goals that will boost your confidence and keep you motivated. Find joy in the small things, whether it's reading a book, taking a walk in nature, or listening to your favorite music. Find joy in the little things in life. These small moments of happiness can add up and make a big difference in your overall well-being. In conclusion, creating a positive mindset and attitude takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. By focusing on the present, surrounding yourself with positivity, practicing gratitude, and finding joy in the small things, you can start living a happier and more fulfilling life. So go ahead, give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Remember, the power to create a positive life is in your hands. Keep smiling and stay motivated.